Okay guys, today is Saturday afternoon. I'm gonna show you how to make Mai Tai with the fresh fruit. I got lime, I got orange juice, I got orange, and I got this is what I call orange, the big one, and pineapple. Okay, pineapple 100%, 100%, and this of course there's a brown rum and light rum and coconut rum flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead get started, have a good healthy food drink and enjoy with friends tonight. Okay, let me go squeeze my fruit have to squeeze. Okay, I remember now it's grapefruit. This is grapefruit, very fresh and a lot of vitamin C. This is how healthy grapefruit and orange. Now remember I'm gonna go ahead to make all this fresh fruit juice Mai Tai. First I'm gonna go ahead squeeze this orange juice first. I'm gonna do this until I finish, okay? There is a lot of juice in there. Yep. Just keep going until I finish all the juice right here. I'm gonna keep going. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna keep going, okay? Okay, this is the last one. Squeeze my orange right here. Wow, this is, look at this. Look at this fresh juice right here, guys. Fresh. Look at the fresh fruit right here. Look at that. The grape juice, grapefruit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead cut and squeeze them. Okay, that's squeeze juice. Let's squeeze this up. Oh wow, look at it. Let's squeeze this juice out. Look at that. Oh, grape juice. This grape juice, guys. Let's squeeze this one out. Oh my goodness, that's exciting now. The grape juice taste will be crazy awesome. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna keep going until I finish this. Okay, this is the last one. Just squeeze all of this out, all the vitamin C, fresh fruit. Oh, look at that. Look at the juice. Ooh, that's it, guys. Keep continue. Now I'm gonna squeeze lime, and on lime, you know, Mai Tai you have you need lime juice. I put the fresh lime juice. Look at that. Oh yes, lime juice. Yes, lime juice in. And some more. Put lime in there. Yes, fill it and squeeze until I finish. Let's get started. This is pineapple juice. This is the juice I just measure. How many? 1 cup, 1 glass. 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1/4. Okay. Now this pineapple juice 100%. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead measure this one. 1, 2, 3. So this 3, I need 1 more. 4 1/4. Yep. Let's go start with the alcohol. Okay, let's rub right here, light rum. So we go start it. So this is make for 4 people, 4 or 6. So okay, we put 1 glass of the rum. Another glass of the rum. Okay, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and add on another half because I made a whole lot. Half. Okay, and let's start with coconut liquor. Coconut in half. And this peach. I was saying I put peach about half. And this is coffee. Just a little bit of flavor. That's so good. Ooh, let's go party. Okay, let's go. Cheers. For me first. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Cheers, guys. I'm gonna go party. Alright. This guy kitchen and guy bartender Mai Tai. Mai Tai Hawaii is very popular in Hawaii. This is real fruit juice. Crazy good, the best. Wow, look at that. Like a new year food. Everything. See, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving every day, guys. Okay.
Every concession for our guests.
Okay, now a little bit quiet, no talk. Okay, now we're gonna video. Happy Saturday, guys. Look at Mai Tai. Oh, wow. Cheers.